Hey guys, this is Akash and you are watching Technology the Killer. So guys, in today's video series I am going to tell you about that how we can remove all the underlines which we seen in the MS Word or Microsoft Word. So guys, before starting this guys, if you are new in my channel and still you have not subscribed it, so first of all subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from my YouTube channel. So let's start now. So first we will open our WordPad and now I am here and I am going to type anything here. Then you will see here that you will get such types of underlines. So how we can remove these? So there is a simple step. So whatever you have to write, you can write here, and after that you have to go. If you are using any old version, then there will be an environment different, and if you are using latest update of Microsoft Word, because I am using Microsoft Word of 2019. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go on the click file, and then we will go to on the options, and as we will click on the options, we will go to in the proofing. And what we have to do here, we will uncheck this box. You have to focus on them. That's what I am doing here. So you have to check spelling as you type. You have to uncheck my grammar errors as you type, and you have to uncheck also check grammar with spelling, and you have to simply click on the OK. And now you can see here that all the underline has been removed. So in this way you can remove all the underlines. So thanks for watching.